What is the driver airbag module? You may have heard people mention driver airbag modules here and there, but not quite understand what it is and what it does yourself. Let me fill you in. Although the SRS airbag module is a small unit in the vehicle, it serves a crucial role in the overall operation and safety of a vehicle. Explained simply, an SRS airbag module is a computerized mechanism in a vehicle that controls the entire airbag system. When airbags deploy during a sudden stop or collision, the airbag module system stores crash data and hard codes that can only be removed by a complete reset. Some of the crash data that the unit records includes the vehicle speed, brake light switch position, the engine speed, and the throttle position, obtained from up to 8 seconds before the impact. The unit may also store the impact speed change, airbag and seat belt pre-tensioner deployment information, and records of seat belt use. This information is stored in a memory that can be downloaded at a later time. An accident reconstructionist can use this information to piece together the events of a crash, which can then be used for insurance and legal purposes. Generally, the records taken from the SRS airbag module are admissible in court. Some other names the SRS airbag module goes by are airbag control module, diagnostic unit, airbag sensor, and computer module. The SRS unit can be mounted in different locations, depending on the make and model of vehicle, but is generally located underneath the driver's seat. After an accident, drivers have two choices: to buy a brand new airbag module or have the system reset. The latter option is much more affordable and just as effective. Resetting SRS airbag modules and restoring them to factory settings is one of the specialties of the company Safety Restore.